My name's Kim Donnelly, and today we're going to review the design principle called CARP. The CARP principle is used to create appealing and engaging graphics to enhance the learning experience. Let's take a moment and review what CARP represents. CARP is an acronym that represents contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity. And you'll see here on our screen, we show some examples of each component. Contrast, you want to be sure to create different contrasting elements. For example, using different font sizes, or as we show on the screen here, different colors in the design to help create contrast. Alignment, by aligning your content with an imaginary line, helps the learner make connections with the content. So you'll see they're demonstrating here alignment all the way to the right, justifying it to the right or to the center or to the left. Repetition. Repetition is repeating elements such as color or fonts to help the learners mentally organize the content. Proximity, you want to place related content near each other to enhance learning. Now that we've reviewed the 4 components of CARP, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple examples. On the left of your screen, you will see an example of a poorly designed graph. The violent crimes rate of 1990. There's some components that they utilize well. So up here at the top, they're explaining what each line graph represents. And the colors there are contrasted well to give you an understanding. However, the contrast of the entire document with the photograph in the background is distracting and takes away from the engaging the learner. Alignment. Overall, alignment's okay in this document. However, it does look like on the right, maybe not all the lines are the same length. So that can be a disruption. Repetition. Within the graph itself, this design does a good job utilizing repetition. However, again, the distraction of the cars and the police cars and ambulance in the background takes away from the content. Proximity. Again, with the graph, the content of the graph and what it represents is close to one another, but again, we have the distraction of the cars in the background. So just too much contrast in this example. Now take a look to the right. This is a well-designed graphic. So it looks like this is an infographic explaining the effects of taxes and benefits on household income, taxes paid for 2011. This does a good job of utilizing different colors, so the contrast, so utilizing the red pinkish color and the green color and the white fonts to demonstrate the contrast. It looks like they've used bold white for the heading, so it makes that stand out more than the text down below. Alignment, it looks like they're using a center alignment to design their content. And repetition, again, they're utilizing the same colors throughout the document. They're utilizing the same font throughout the document. So it's a very appealing, visually appealing document. And proximity. So they've done a good job with the graphic and making sure that the key or what it represents is within close proximity to help the learner identify what the content's referring to. So again, this one on the right, it's a much more visually appealing document that can engage the learner's attention. So now we've presented you with the 4 basic concepts of CARP. We hope you found this instructional video helpful. Identify and implement the use of proper graphic design for instruction. Have a great day.